Hi everyone. Hope you're all good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 math, and then click on view all lesson. You can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction, three digits. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. To math, chapter we are on right now is subtraction, three digits. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is subtract, multiply. Let's just start with an example, 800 take away 200. So both the numbers have exactly same numbers of zeros. They both have two zeros, right? So when the numbers have same number of zeros, that is very easy to subtract. Just write them down one above the other and start subtracting from the ones digit. We know that 0 take away 0 is 0. We need to add the tens again. You have 0 take away 0 that, and then you have to subtract the hundreds. 8 take away 2 is 6. So 800 take away 200 equals 600. Let's just start with the test questions. Nine hundred take away 800, which is the correct option. So both the numbers have same number of zeros, right? Write them down one above the other. Start subtracting from the ones. 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 0 and 9 take away 8 is 1. So that is 100. Option number 2 is the correct option. Subtract 800 take away 100. So which is the correct option? That is 700. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. 600 minus 200, which is the correct option? That equals 400. Option number 3 is the correct option. -600 -500. So let's just write them down one above the other. 600 -1500. So we have to start subtracting from one's digit. So that is 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 0 is 0 and 6 take away 5 is 1. So that is 100. Option number 1 is the correct option. -900 take away 600, which is the correct one. -900 -600 equals 300. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 400. 800 -400 equals 400. Very good. Option number 2 is the correct option. 700 -400 equals that is 300. Option number 3 is the correct option. Very good. 800 take away 200. That equals 600. Option number 2 is the correct option. 900 -400. 900 minus 400 equals 500. Option number 2 is the correct option. Seven hundred minus 100 equals. Very good. Option number 2 is the correct option. 600. It is okay. You can complete the lesson by yourself here today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is subtract three-digit numbers. So we already know how to subtract the digits, right? Because we have already finished with subtracting one digits and subtracting two digits. So I'm going to start with the test questions. One hundred ten minus zero. So subtracting zero means the number stays the same, whatever number it is. When you're subtracting from zero, the number stays the same. That is 110. Option number 1 is the correct option. 650 take away 1. So let's just write them down one above the other. You have to subtract 650 take away 1. So start subtracting from the ones digit. You cannot subtract 0 out of 1, you need to borrow 1. So you're left with 4 here. And the one you borrow make 10. So 10 take away 1 is 9. We do not have any digit here, bring 4 as it is and 6. So that is 649. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. 625 take away 2, which is the correct option. 'The correct option is option number 3 is the correct option. You have to subtract 625, take away 2, subtract the ones. 5 take away 2 is 3, so you are left with 623. Option number 3 is the correct option. Two 285 take away 0. 285 take away 0 is 285. Option number 2 is the correct option. 578 take away 3, which is the correct option. That is 575. Option number 1 is the correct option. $161 take away 5. Better you call me teacher. I'm not your friend. That is 165, 155. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 2, that is 156. 200 take away 5, which is the correct option. That is 195. Option number 1 is the correct option. $695 take away 3. 5 take away 3 is 2. Bring 9 down and 6, so that is 692. That is 692. Option number 2 is the correct option. $669 take away 3. So let's just subtract. 669 take away 3. 9 take away 3 is 6. That is 666. Option number one is the correct option, that is 666. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. So let's just move on to next lesson. Complete the subtraction sentence up to 3 digits. Let's just start with the test questions. You wanted to take away the missing number equals 195, so you need to find the missing number. You are given three of the options. You can check with the first one. So just start one. 200 take out 202 take away 7. You cannot subtract it out of 7, you need to borrow 1. Here you already have 0, so you can borrow 1 from the 1 makes 10 here. You can borrow 1 from here. The 1 makes 12 here and 9 here. 12 take away 9. 12 take away 7 is 5. That is 195. So option number 1 is the correct option. 202 take away 7 equals 195. Option number 1 is the correct option. The missing number minus 2 equals 553. We do 4 of 10. Option number 2 is the correct option because 5 take away 2 is 3. So 555 take away 2 equals 553. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number 900 take away 933 take away what number equals 925? 933 take away. You can start with the first number, or you have either you can subtract 925 both sides. That is another way to do the same question, right? 900 take away 900 makes 0. You can subtract 990, 933 minus 925, that is 8 take away missing is 0. So 8 take away 8 is 0. That means the missing number is 8. That is 8. The missing number is 8. Fill in the missing number, which is the correct option. Seven hundred 716 take away 4 equals 712. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. The missing number take away 6 equals 296. So which is the correct option? Let's just check with the first option, right? That is 301. 301 take away 6. You cannot subtract 1 out of 6. You need to borrow 1. You have 0 here. So you can borrow from the next digit. That makes 10 here. Now you can borrow. 11 take away 6 is 5. So that isn't the correct option. Let's just check with the second one. That is 302 take away 6. So we need to borrow 1 from here. That makes 2. And 10 here. That makes 9. 12 take away 6 is 6. 9 and 2. So that is option number 2. 302 take away 6 equals 296. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is write the subtraction sentences up to three digits. Let's just start with the test questions. Logan and Brenda in a relay race. First, Logan swam for 65 seconds. Then Brenda took over and finished the race. Their total time was 108 seconds. How long did Brenda swim? So Logan did for 65 seconds and Brenda finished in 108 seconds. You need to find how long Brenda swim, so you have to subtract. We have to do 108 minus 65. 8 take away 5 is 3. 10 take away 6, that is 43. That is 43. Option number 2 is the correct option. A cook fed a total of 577 people. The cook fed 22 children. How many adults did the cook feed? $577 take away 22 because you need to calculate how many adults he fed. So just subtract the children. 7 take away 2 is 5. 7 take away 2 is 5. So that means he fed 555 adults. Option number 1 is the correct option. Toby wrote a total of 462 songs in his career. Of these songs, 26 were popular. How many songs did Tommy write that were not popular? So 26 were popular. Total song, the popular song out of the total. Away 6 is 6. 4 take away 2 is 2 and 4, that is 426. That is 4. 5 take away 2 is 3. That is 436. That is 436. Option number 2 is the correct option. Eden runs his own baking company. This morning, Keenan's workers baked 56 apple pies. They also baked some more after lunch. In total, they baked 878 apple pies. How many apple pies did Keenan workers bake after lunch? So you have to do 878 minus 56. So which is the correct option? Eight take away six is two. Seven take away five is two, and that is 822. Option number three is the correct option. That is 822. Mr. Strickland donated 42 picture books to the library. Now the library has total 184 pictures. Picture book did the library have before the donation? So you have to subtract 184 take away 42. 4 take away 2 is 2. 8 take away 4 is 4. That is 142. That is 142. Option number 2 is the correct one. The Clean family eat cherry and grape jelly on their toast. They have a combined total of 329 grams of jelly. If they have 367 grams of jelly. How many how many grams of jelly do they have? The total jelly is 329 and 67 grams of jelly is grape jelly. 9 take away 7 is 2. 12 take away 6 is 6 and 2 that is 200 and that is 262. Okay, you can complete the lesson yourself today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is subtraction 3 digits. The lessons we have covered today are subtract multiples of 100, subtract 3-digit numbers, complete the subtraction sentences up to 3 digits, and write the subtraction sentence up to 3 digits. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons you just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask questions if you have any. need to then that's all. See you in the next session, everyone.